Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this floss. It's a sample provided by EcoRoots, and it's a bamboo floss. This is how it looks inside. So it's black, it has activated charcoal, and it has its organic tea tree oil and organic peppermint oil. So also comes with two extras inside, and each one is 33 yards. So there's plenty for you, for your family. And this is how they look. I like because it's organic ingredients, and it's also going to allow you to clean in between your teeth. And I like that it comes with more. So this is how it looks. It looks very resistant, very strong. So I like the quality in it. I hope you check it out and you enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.